The forms consist of groups made specifically for each type of form. For example, this is a standard form. This is a group. This is another group. If we click on the Form Manager tab, we get this window where we have 3 new tabs. The first one is the Forms tab. Here we can see the existing form, and we can also create a form by choosing a template, giving it a form name, a display name, and a description. By filling these out afterwards, you click on the purple button to upload it. As we can see, we can also edit existing forms as well as delete them. In the second tab, we have the form groups. Here is where we create each group that is going to be placed in our form. The groups are managed by different group types. You choose a group type depending on how you want your form to look. For example, to create the date and time, we would click on the Auto Date and Time. We would give it a group name to differentiate it, to locate it in the system. We can give it a main header, a subheader, the first and second header. But for this specific group, we will only have a header 1 and a header 2. On this button, we can have a preview of how our group is going to look. We can also have a preview of how it would look as a label. After we fill it out to our desired look, we would click on the Upload button. In the third tab, we have the form questions. As mentioned earlier, the forms are made up of groups, and inside the groups are the questions. Here is where we can create each question. To create a question, we have to start with the form question. The form question is like a label to locate it in the system. The display name is how the actual question will look. After creating our desired groups and questions, click on the second tab in the menu button that says Form Creator, and it will take us to this window. Here we will have the form that we created and all the other existing forms. On this side we have the templates. Here we can edit our form, delete our form, and either lock it or unlock it. By clicking on one of the forms, we can see all of the groups added to that form as well as a form preview. By clicking on each group, we can see the location. As well as being able to delete the group from the form or making it into a header or a label by clicking on the box. Here we can rearrange our groups to make it look however we would like it to. After we move around our groups, we click on the Upload button. To add a question to each group, we click on the pencil edit icon. Here we see the current questions in the group as well as the unused questions. By clicking on the plus button, we add that question to that group. When you have achieved the desired look for your form, we click on the third tab in the menu, Documents. Here it will take us to a window where we can see our form, saved form, as well as the submitted form. If we click on New Form, we can see all of the existing forms, and we are also able to fill some out.